So as you guys know, the 2024 AI for Impact Hackathon is already underway, and we have already held different workshops as well as different elaborative lectures for all our participants as well as you guys. So today we are here to talk about one of the workshops that were held during the hackathons. This workshop focused on the generative AI and its applications, and it was given by Samir Damle, who is a prominent AI engineer and trainer who is well versed in the artificial intelligence environment. On this workshop, Samir explains the application of using large language models like ChatGPT on different application sectors like environment, education, health, and commerce across different real-world examples and case studies. He took a technical deep dive on prompt engineering, which was one of the main focuses of the workshop, and he also ended up giving us super tips on how to craft better prompts. What makes Samir's workshop unique is the fact that he shared different tools and libraries that our participants can use in utilizing large language models. He even had an interactive session where he showed our participants how to build a custom chatbot with practical examples. This workshop is perfect to harness the power of generative AI. Make sure to check out the full workshop on our YouTube channel, or you can easily find it on the video description below.